Once upon a time in a quiet town, there lived a man named Jake. Jake was known for his kind heart, infectious laughter, and a natural ability to make everyone around him feel valued and appreciated. He was well liked and respected by his community. However, Jake had a secret struggle. He had 5 bad habits that he knew were holding him back. These habits were like chains, weighing him down and preventing him from reaching his full potential. The first bad habit was procrastination. Jake often found himself putting off important tasks, convincing himself that there was always tomorrow. This habit made him miss out on opportunities and left him feeling unfulfilled. The second bad habit was negative self-talk. Jake had a tendency to doubt his own abilities and would often talk himself out of pursuing his dreams. This self-doubt was a barrier to his success and happiness. The third bad habit was unhealthy eating. Jake had a weakness for sugary snacks and fast food, neglecting the importance of a balanced diet. This not only affected his physical health but also drained his energy and clouded his mind. The fourth bad habit was self-isolation. Jake had a tendency to withdraw from social situations, preferring solitude over connection. This habit made it difficult for him to build meaningful relationships and limited his personal growth. The fifth bad habit was fear of failure. Jake was afraid to step out of his comfort zone and take risks. He worried about what others might think if he didn't succeed, and this fear held him back from pursuing his passions. One day, Jake had an epiphany. He realized that in order to truly live a life of purpose and fulfillment, he needed to break free from these bad habits. He knew it wouldn't be easy, but he was determined to make a change. Jake started by setting small, achievable goals for himself. He created a daily schedule to combat procrastination and held himself accountable for completing tasks in a timely manner. To overcome negative self-talk, Jake began practicing positive affirmations and surrounded himself with supportive, uplifting people. He learned to replace self-doubt with self-belief. In terms of his eating habits, Jake gradually introduced healthier options into his diet. He discovered the joy of cooking nutritious meals and found that eating well gave him more energy and mental clarity. To address his tendency to isolate himself, Jake joined clubs and attended social events in his community. He pushed himself to engage in conversations and connect with others on a deeper level. Finally, Jake confronted his fear of failure head-on. He reminded himself that failure was simply a stepping stone to success and that every setback was an opportunity to learn and grow. As the days turned into weeks and weeks into months, Jake's transformation was evident to everyone around him. He radiated confidence, vitality, and a newfound sense of purpose. Word spread throughout the town about Jake's remarkable journey, and people couldn't help but be inspired by his determination and resilience. Jake became a beacon of hope, showing others that with dedication and a willingness to change, anyone could overcome their bad habits and live a life that commanded respect. And so, Jake's story became a legend in the town, a testament to the power of personal growth and the boundless potential that lies within each of us. His legacy served as a reminder that it's never too late to break free from the chains of bad habits and become the person we were always meant to be.